Hey everyone, since sometimes my videos include side dishes, I thought it would be good if I broke this out so you could find them easier in case you want to use them with a different dish. And then here I'm gonna roast some carrots. It's pretty easy to do this. It's pretty much carrots with some salt, vinegar, or not vinegar, salt, olive oil, and you're just gonna pop it in an oven or a toaster oven for 25 minutes at 425 degrees. For the carrots, at the end you can just toss them in some butter with some garlic and parsley, and it tastes great. We used dried parsley here, but you really should use fresh. We didn't have any fresh, but I hope you enjoyed this episode, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.